Do your glasses get in the way of your hobbies? Over the years, lenses have become more advanced, with nearly endless customization options for every beautiful, unique pair of eyes out there, and our frame selection more vast and stylish. But our glasses still have a tendency to make doing the things we love quite the challenge, no matter how perfectly fitted they are to our eyes and personality. Let's take a look at some of the ways our spectacles can make a spectacle of us while we try to enjoy our favorite hobbies. Number 1, sports and exercise. From shooting hoops with coworkers to a relaxing solo run around your neighborhood, physical activity of any kind is an incredible hobby for both mind and body. But doing them in glasses can be burdensome, annoying, and even dangerous if they fog up or fall off. Number 2, arts and crafts. Whether you're a semi-professional quilter or a novice painter, arts and crafts can bring loads of relaxation and fun to your day. But if you enjoy being creative, you may find yourself constantly cleaning your lenses from smears and smudges as you try to keep those glasses up on your nose and out of your masterpiece. Number 3, travel. Exploring new places is a fun and exciting hobby, but your glasses are just one more thing to keep track of on your journey, and it's all too easy to lose them when you're out and about. Number 4, reading. The feeling of a new book in your hands. You can't wait to flip to that first page. But wait, where am I? Oh, not again. This pastime is a favorite of many, as long as those glasses aren't dirty, damaged, or missing. Number 5, cooking. Let's check to see if the pasta is nice and al dente, shall we? Oh no, the steam, not the steam! Trying to cook and see at the same time can be one humid hassle. Are you tired of your glasses getting in the way of your hobbies? If you're ready to start seeing life more clearly, the permanent results of LASIK surgery may be the perfect solution for you. With LASIK, you can play, create, travel, read, and cook whenever you please, without those pesky glasses getting in the way. To learn more about LASIK and to find out if you're a good candidate for this procedure, call Dougherty Laser Vision at 805-987-5300 or text 818-874-3048 to schedule an appointment. We're now open for in-person or virtual appointments.